Hello, my name is Declan Higgins. Today I'm going to talk you through how to use Finviz.com. It's a very advanced and very useful stock market screener, with particular focus on American stocks. So I'll just take you through the homepage now. So here we have a map of the different sectors: technology, communications, consumer, cyclical, financials and industrials. And you can kind of see at a glance what's doing good at the moment and what's in the red. Also on top of the home page you have the major indexes: the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500, and whether they're up or down. As you can see at the moment, the Nasdaq is the most productive. So here we have the ticker symbols and what will happen next, different articles, and I'll just take it through to the news page. So this is the news on various different investments and the bond markets, etc. Vaccine shutdown could blow a hole in the pandemic's greatest triumph, and all these different things. Wall Street week ahead, investors grow weary as stocks hit new highs. This is all things that will affect the markets. And then on the opposite side there's vlogs from different people, and you can use both of these to enhance your trading and make more informed decisions. Next we have the screener. So this is all your different ticker symbols: the Aragon Company, Applied Economics, Apple Inc, ATA, and you can click on any of them and go into their different analysis, etc. Now this is very useful. This is the maps. So if you want to put in a ticker symbol, for example, I will just use Tesla as an example. So TESLA, and the ticker symbol comes up TSLA. So ticker symbol. So Tesla, this is on the 1 day performance. So Tesla has been up 0.16%, and at the moment it's trading at $733.57 a share. So if you want to check on the weekly performance, and this is one thing that can be awkward, you have to type it in. Now if anyone can figure out an easier way of doing this that I might not have spotted, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so Tesla, it's been up on the weekly performance, it's been up 3.04%, and you can do that with any of these different retail, communications, financials, real estate, any of these different area sectors, healthcare, etc., and how much they've been up or down. And then you can zoom in to whatever particular one you want. Say Facebook, it's up 0.97%, and Google and Twitter are all lumped together. So you want to go down to the financials, same thing, and any of these, and the Procter & Gamble company, and whether they've been rising or falling. And as you can see, consumer cyclicals, the TJX companies is down by minus 3.49%. This is very useful now to get an overall feel of how the market is at present. And as I say, you can do it on the daily performance, weekly, monthly, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or year to date, relative volume, etc. So groups. So this is also very useful. This is the relative performance of the different sectors. In ascending, you can have it in ascending or descending order, whichever you prefer. So the relative performance, technology, as you can see, is doing the best right now. Basic materials is down, and what's gradually go down. So utilities is down the most at the moment. Real estate, technology, healthcare, consumer cyclical, utilities, consumer defensive, communication services are all up, whereas industrials, basic materials and financials are down at present. And then the month relative performance for each one, 3 months, half year relative performance. This is very interesting. This gives you the overall sectors and how they're doing as a whole. So if you were to invest in the S&P 500, for example, or the other different indices, so portfolio, some of these you have to be registered and there's a paid subscription for. So inside of futures, and some of the articles as well, same thing. So you want to check the Nikkei and how that's doing, the DAX, all there, and how they're doing at present. As you can see, the DAX has hit highs of 30427, and at the moment it's trying to rise above it. It's been tested here and shot back down again, tested here, shot back down again, tested here, and when it did break, it broke up nicely. So yeah, you can back test, you can do Forex, which is your major USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and you can back test all of these and see how you've been doing. So elite, so that's another one you have to, to subscribe to Finviz Elite, it's $24.96 a month. And with that you get real time and extended hours, you get advanced charts, back tests, correlations, advanced screener, alerts and notifications. And this here is the ad and a completely ad-free layout. So the free quotes are delayed and you can't get real up-to-date analysis, so this is better for swing trading and holding rather than day trading. So intraday charts, you can't use them. You can't use intraday charts in the free version. They're delayed. And max tickers, portfolio per user, max 50, and they're delayed. So that's Finviz in a nutshell. And what I just want to go back to now is screener. So ticker symbol, for example, Tesla. So TSLA is a ticker symbol for Tesla. Okay, so what you can do on the free version is, this is the daily chart. So each one of these candles represents a day. Green candles are if it's a bullish pattern, and red candles are bearish. So as you can see on the daily chart, in February, middle of the high, it hit a high of $900.30 a share, and right now it's trading at 733.57. Okay, so daily, weekly, on the weekly chart, Tesla has been on a constant uptrend. You can see there it started at 57.23 and it went gradually up, and there are the dates: July the 26th, and the average volume of shares traded 162.67 million. And as you can see, the shares are gradually going up, the amount traded, and also the share price has really gone up with Tesla. And at the moment it's hit highs at here of 888.55, and it's hit lows 545.18, and right now it's in a consolidation range. There's no really clear trend or downtrend, it's just choppy. So that's the Tesla example, and that has been yeah, my tutorial on Finviz. I hope you found it interesting, and I hope you learned something new. Finviz is something I use as a beginner trader in the stock market. I find it very useful, along with the analysis on your broker platform and news. It's always good, it's always important to have a number of different sources, not just rely on one, but always be aware that trading does involve risk, and trade will either go against you or go in your favor. So it's important to set appropriate stop losses, etc., and only trade with an amount of money that you can afford to lose on each trade. So 2 to 3% on each trade. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial on Finviz has helped you. Thanks very much. Goodbye.